MrBeast will surpass T-Series within 1 year. MrBeast is one of the most popular and influential YouTubers in the world, known for his extravagant and philanthropic videos, such as giving away millions of dollars, planting 20 million trees, recreating Squid Game in real life, and more. He currently has over 185 million subscribers, making him the second most subscribed channel on YouTube. T-Series, on the other hand, is India's largest music label and movie studio, which produces and distributes Bollywood songs and films. It has been the most subscribed channel on YouTube since 2019, when it surpassed PewDiePie in a fierce battle that lasted for months. It currently has over 249 million subscribers. MrBeast has announced that he is going to challenge T-Series and try to become the YouTuber with the most subscribers in the world. He said that he is doing this for PewDiePie, who was his inspiration and friend during the previous sub-war. So, will MrBeast ever surpass T-Series? Well, let's look at some facts and figures to find out. According to Social Blade, MrBeast gains average 500,000 subscribers, while T-Series gains an average of 66,000 of subscribers. This means that MrBeast is growing about 7 times faster than T-Series. However, T-Series still has a huge lead over MrBeast, with a difference of about 64 million subscribers. At this rate, it would take MrBeast about 274 days, or about 9 months, to catch up with T-Series. But wait, there's more. Social Blade also provides future projections based on current trends. According to these projections, MrBeast will reach 1.8 billion subscribers in 5 years. T-Series, on the other hand, will reach 660 million subscribers. This means that MrBeast will surpass T-Series sometime between 6 months and 2 years from now. That's quite impressive. Of course, these projections are not guaranteed to be accurate. They are based on assumptions and extrapolations that may change over time. There are many factors that can affect the growth of both channels, such as algorithm changes, viral videos, controversies, collaborations, marketing strategies, audience preferences, and more. For example, T-Series may benefit from the large and growing population of India. It may also benefit from the popularity and diversity of Bollywood music and movies among international audiences. On the other hand, MrBeast may benefit from his creativity and innovation in making videos that appeal to a global audience. He may also benefit from his loyal fan base. What do you think? Will MrBeast ever surpass T-Series? Or will T-Series remain the king of YouTube? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.